Hi, Ate Mary Ann. Happy birthday. Wishing you all the best. Thank you for this and more blessings to come and more birthday candles to blow. And once again, happy birthday. Thank you.
Thank you.
Marian, happy birthday. Enjoy your big day. Stay pretty always and sexy. Thanks sa kanila.
Ate Marian, happy birthday. Bye.
Ate Mirian, happy birthday. Salamat kayo sa imong regalong datag nimo. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Marian. Thank you for your blessings. And kana tagaan kaniya og mayong panglawas. Og ikaw na tagaan sa ka sa Ginoo og another blessings. Thank you and God bless.
Happy birthday, Ate Marian. Thank you, Ate. God bless you. Aming diha. Asuman karon. Thank you kayo, Ate. Thank you. Happy birthday.